Gearing up for a road trip? Don't forget to pack the compact yet powerful NOCO Air10 portable inflator. The Ultrafast compressor can inflate a flat tire in under 4 minutes. The NOCO is powered by a 138 watt motor that operates off the 12-volt lighter plug inside your vehicle. The Air10 is programmable to set precise tire pressure levels, plus features auto shutoff to avoid overinflation. Control the Air10 by using its easy-to-read LED screen. Working at night, the Air10 has a built-in LED flashlight. The NOCO Air10 has a 3-foot braided air hose and 10-foot 12-volt power cord. The Air10 is not just for automobile tires either. Use it to maintain tires on your motorcycle, power sports, and trailers. It includes a few popular air hose attachments to inflate sporting goods, beach toys, and